Okay, we are doing our cultural tour day here. We're in Kathmandu. The group just arrived, and we spend the first day getting people checked into their rooms, making sure that they're all settled. And now you can see right over here, they're heading around. We're at the Durbar Square. This is from the 16th century, and it's a good day to get everybody to one of the cultural sites and get them out stretching their legs. We did a gear check this afternoon when they got here. We'll have a celebration or a welcome dinner tonight, and we're just getting started day one on our Trek to Mount Everest Base Camp, our cultural tour. And just look at these beautiful sites here in Kathmandu, Nepal.
Site, you can see lots of artifacts. They're putting a number. We'll be going there later. The Royal Palace of the King.
Okay, I'm here at the Yak and Yeti Hotel behind me here. Our group just arrived today. We went on the cultural walking tour this afternoon, just a small one. We go to Durbar Square, and once everybody's checked in, we do some gear checks if they come in early, and then we'll let them relax a little bit. And then after lunch at 1:30, we meet in the lobby, and we just go to Durbar Square and do a little bit of, gets people out. They see some beautiful sight in Nepal, and they also are able to like stretch their legs and get to know one another. A lot of people don't know each other, so it's kind of nice to do that little check. Now we're getting set up for their evening welcome reception dinner. So we have some high top tables here. We have a cash bar here, the buffet line, and this is the old Palace of Nepal. And then over here in the end, we'll have the Nepalese music team. I'll shoot a little bit of this tonight. Look at this beautiful table they have set for us here. We got 20 guests on this trip, and it should be a really nice evening. We're gonna have a good time. We had a nice walking tour today. Tomorrow we'll go on our full cultural tour, and the bags will all fly into Lukla, and then we're gonna take helicopters in to Phecting on the following day to start our trip. So yeah, we're just getting ready here. Guests are here, they're excited, they're ready to go, and we're gonna have some fun trekking to Everest Base Camp.